I would give it a 12 out of 10. What about you?
15 out of 10.
Oh wow, okay.
Hi, I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Jadyn.
And today we're going to tell you a little bit about the living in a bubble bags. So first off, the durability and the material, perfect, amazing. With the wet and dry compartments, awesome for beach days, picnics, put all the dirty stuff in there. The threading, just astronomical.
Yeah, and then I'll talk about my bag. Mine's more of a storage bag for a compartment. It has a really nice cup holder. It has a really awesome magnetic grab and go bag. I find this as a huge differential compared to other bags. The easy grab and go. It has little easy slip in. The key hooks are really nice. It's helping us not lose our keys. And then it also has an extra Velcro compartment here. And then again, like Jasmine said, the threading and artwork on the bag is beautiful. And also look at how beautiful the brown leather is on the black. We think that the black and brown leather is definitely by far the best colors that they have, but that's just personal opinion.
So aesthetically pleasing.
Over 1 month later.
Want to do a 30-day recap on the bags?
Absolutely. Her bag from living in a bubble for 30 days now, and I can tell you that we've used them every single day since the day we've gotten them. They've helped with organization. It's helped us in situations where we needed to urgently clean the van as we had guests over last minute. It's helped us with situations during rainy days with wet towels.
I can tell you these bags are life-changing, especially when you live in such a small space. Organization is key, and you can never be too organized. This bag, obsessed. So easy. I literally use this for quite everything. I would say honest review,
12 out of 10. And you know, not only have they been like life-changing for the van lifestyle, but also the quality of them is phenomenal. I mean, the artwork that they've done on it, it looks really well in our home. And yeah, I would give it a 12 out of 10. What about you?
15 out of 10.
Oh wow, okay. Again, we highly recommend it. It's a crucial add to van life.
Thanks for watching. Ciao.